ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to Masala Chai Media. In the previous episode, we have seen how to form some simple sentences and convert them into questions as well. And in this episode, we will be covering this how to form the sentences by using few more extra words, and it helps in our daily life. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I would recommend you to watch them first and then come to this. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel to get the future updates. Like in our childhood, we have seen like we had a particular template to write the letter where it was to, from and subject was mentioned. Same like in Kannada. So I'll just tell what is to and from in Kannada and how can we make some sentences using that. Like to will be gay. We used to write gay in the letter, and then from will be inda. Then that would be the from address. Then subject is Vishaya in Kannada. So to is gay, from is inda. So by using these two, can we enhance our sentences which we have formed in our previous episode? Let's say, how do we say that? I am going to market. I am going to market. So in Kannada, we have already learned I am going is that Nanu hogta idini. So where are we going? Where is Elli again? So where Elli, the answer will be I am going to market. So sentence in Kannada is Nanu marketಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So you will tell the place which will be added with ಗೆ. ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. And how can I say that I went to office. I went to office. Again to here. So in Kannada ನಾನು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. So past tense will be ಹೋಗು is go. Past tense of ಹೋಗು is ಹೋದೆ. So I say ನಾನು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. So how can I say for the future tense? Let's take an example. ನಾನು ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, so I will go to temple. ನಾನು ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. So same like that you can form n number of sentence when you want to explain that where exactly you are going. I hope now you are clear on what is to in Kannada, that is ge. To market, market ge. To office, office ge. To temple, temple ge athwa devasthanakke. Now let's learn what is from, that is inda. Now we will see how the from will be said in Kannada. From is inda. So let's see one example that I came from home. How do we say in Kannada? From is inda, home is mane. So you might have heard again halli mane, tindi mane. So these all indicates that it's a village home. So you just remember mane is home. So how do we say I came from home is ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದೆ. Mane is a thing and then inda gets added. So from home, I came from home. ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದೆ. So how do we say the same in present continuous? Like I am coming from home. So your friend calls up and asks from where are you coming, or like the place. So you can just answer I am coming from home. How do we say in Kannada? ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Then how do we say it, the same thing for future tense is I will come from home. ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, so let's see another example for inda. Let's say that I received this award from my manager. From my manager. So when you want to say that okay I got it from some person, how do we say in Kannada? ನನಗೆ or ನನಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರಿಂದ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್. ನನಗೆ. Now let's see few more example using inda, that is from. How can I say that I I purchased this mobile from shop. I purchased this mobile from shop. In Kannada, ನಾನು ಈ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಶಾಪಿಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So I am just using the English words. Maybe you can learn these words in Kannada in advanced level. So these are the simple sentence you can form. That is, ನಾನು ಈ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಇಂದ ತಂದೆ or ಶಾಪ್ ಇಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Same like that, how can you say that? I received gift from my dad. I received gift from my dad. ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ, ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಈಸ್ ತಂದೆ, that we have seen in the relationship. So ನನಗೆ ತಂದೆಯಿಂದ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. So here if you observe, ತಂದೆ ಇಂದ, from dad. Same like that you can add this to non-living things like places or shops, or even for the people like nimminda, from you. How do we say from you? I got this from you. Nimminda siktu. I got this from some ex person or manager, you can say. I got this from manager. Manager inda siktu. So you can just keep adding inda whenever you encounter from in the sentences. Now let's see one more extra verb, that is till. So till will be varegu in Kannada. Let's say an example. Till what time you will be available? How do we say in Kannada? ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಯವರೆಗೂ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಯವರೆಗೂ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ I am available till 1:30. I am available till 1:30. So that varegu gets added to 1:30 and sentence will be like, ನಾನು 1:30 ವರೆಗೂ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Or in complete Kannada we can say, ನಾನು 1:30 ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Let's see another example. Like if you want to request someone that can you please drop me till Majestic or till the next stop, how do we ask in Kannada? We can just say that Majestic ವರೆಗೂ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. That we have learned the question in the last section. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So Majestic ವರೆಗೂ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So you can add this till along with the places or the timings. So wherever we encounter till in the English, so that will be replaced with ವರೆಗೂ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ or ಮೆಜೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, like that. I hope you have liked this content. I request you all to form some sentences in English using to, from and till, and then try to convert in Kannada. If you find any difficulty, please do comment in the section, or even you can write your homework in the comment section. We will have a look on it. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.